I'm Lina Yuk, Financial Services Transfer Pricing Partner based in Milan, and this is PwC's Tax Insights in brief. With me today is Andy Payton, partner in Toronto office, Global Transfer Pricing team. So Andy, we have written together an article on IFRS 17 and potential impacts on transfer pricing. Could you tell us more about what the article is about?
Yes, thanks, Lena. The main purpose of the article is to explain the potential impact of IFRS 17 on transfer pricing policies, and in particular, transfer pricing policies related to reinsurance. One of the main observations the article makes is that IFRS 17 may change the recognition of income and may increase the volatility of income or capital. These are factors that third parties would consider when pricing reinsurance transactions, and therefore, they are factors that related parties should consider when pricing their transactions. The other observation the article makes is it's been common practice for taxpayers to use elements of the income statement as allocation keys in their cost allocation methodologies. IFRS 17 greatly changes the income statement, and therefore taxpayers may have to reconsider the allocation keys they use. If I could make one overarching comment, Lena, it would be that we know from experience that tax authorities are looking at the terms and conditions of intercompany reinsurance transactions, and IFRS 17 is one additional more complicated factor that taxpayers may have to consider. So it's a really good time for people responsible for transfer pricing to get close to the business.
So what happens next for the taxpayers?
Well, IFRS 17 is an accounting concept, so we don't expect any additional transfer pricing guidance. So it will be up to each individual taxpayer to think about how IFRS 17 may impact their transfer pricing policies. I do think, however, there are some situations that will impact all taxpayers. So for example, we talked about the change in the income statement. That will be a key factor for everyone in preparing their country-by-country report.
Thank you, Andy. So if I can summarize next steps for the transfer pricing teams, think about getting closer to the business and actuarial teams to understand how asset and liability management decisions and other changes may impact existing and new intercompany transactions. If you're using third-party data in your benchmarking analysis, consider IFRS 17 impact to the financial data. And last but not least, consider options realistically available in your transfer pricing analysis. For more details, please read attached article. This has been PwC Tax Insights in brief. Thank you for watching.